do when the market is bearish? Check this out. First of all, if the market is bearish, don't panic. You will lose when you panic. You will lose when you basically give in to emotion. People who invest and give in to either fear or greed, especially when the market is down, that's when monetary amounts get lost. Especially for those, I don't know what your portfolio is. I don't know how your stocks are going. But if it's down and it's down a significant amount, and then you are pressured to sell at a loss, not because it's the right thing to do, but not because the fundamentals are dictating it, but because you're just scared of the large amount that's lost already. Don't do that. Before you hit that button, before you press that sell button, know that you need to go through the process of selling before you actually make the sell. And I've seen it through the years now. You will regret it if you just sell out of emotion. So while the market is down, don't give in to the fear of selling too quick. Don't give in to the fear of it might fall. I really believe it could still fall since majority of the stocks are bearish, but you need to know the reason why you're selling, and it has to be with something that's logical. And when it goes down, you have a specific area to buy later on, or you're wanting to prevent a bigger amount of loss that could possibly happen as well. Number two, revisit your goals. Why are you actually investing in the market? If you are investing for the long term context, you are not a trader, you are an investor. I always tell people that if you want to be an investor, it has to be at least 10 years. Meaning, the goal of you investing is something that's very, 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 very long. Meaning also that provided you invested in a company that's good, growing, and now it's cheap, it actually gives you the conviction to buy some more. I repeat, as long as you know the company that you're buying, and as long as it's good, growing, and cheap, by all means, you don't have to fear, you don't even have to be scared of the company going out of business. Because why? As long as they're good, as long as they're growing, it might be lower right now, but later on, as long as the stock, the company performs well, and when the market starts to turn, the advantage will be on your side, as you will be holding onto a stock that has great potential to earn more. So I keep telling people, as long as you know that the fundamentals are well, as long as you know that the fundamentals are good, this could be a great opportunity for you to add, buy, to position, so that later on, when it reverses, you will not just be breaking even, but you will be earning more. Please remember, great things can be done when there's a lot of panic, when a lot of people are fearful. But again, look at the context. It has to be under the notion, it has to be under the specific ideology that you are coming in because you know your numbers very, 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 very well. That's why I always tell people, place a larger precedence first on learning, because if you know what you're getting in, you won't easily get rattled as well. Step number 3. This should be the time that you should be shoring up your cash. Meaning, since the market is bearish, try to stockpile your cash, try to stockpile what you have. What do I mean by this? Since the market is bearish, your advantage right now is a lot of things are cheap. So what I normally do is this. What I do is when the market is down, or even when the market is up, I have a fund where I continually put cash. What do I mean by this? I put cash into this because for the very ideology of when the market is down, I can use this amount, I can use this cash portfolio, I can use this cash that I have for me to be able to buy specific stocks that might be at this point in time cheap. And for me, I've been investing since the crash of 2008, and I saw some stocks become cheap as well, and the cash that I had at that point in time allowed me to be able to utilize and buy stocks that are cheap. So why am I saying this? I'm not saying that the market will continue its downturn. I'm also not saying that this is a sort of the reversal. But what I'm saying is this: those who have cash have greater opportunities to be able to make money. So if you don't have cash right now, what I suggest that you could do is this: create a fund, create a cash account where you just keep on putting money, keep on putting money, keep on putting money, keep on putting money, keep on putting money. Why? Because, think about it this way, later on, market smooth cycles, when it drops again, or it goes down again, you now have the cash, but you can use it just to share. I have what they call, I create what they call a just in case of emergency fund, just in case of recession fund, meaning, should there be a recession, should there be an economic downturn, I have another fund of cash that I can add, that I can stockpile, because when times of emergency happens, when times are relatively scary, you can use that amount, you can use that cash to make things work for you. Tip number 4, like this are cyclical. Markets move up and down. I've seen this happen before. The worst was even in 2008. So what does this mean? Since things like this are cyclical, you shouldn't be scared. It shouldn't be something that should scare you. It's all about who has a better plan, who has a better ability to make money when everyone is fearful, when everyone is scared. Knowing that the market will always rebound, knowing that the market will always bounce and go back to where it was before, will give you an assurance, will give you the ability to be the person who will trade with conviction when everyone else is scared. So please remember, markets always rebound, especially great companies, especially if you're buying indices, especially if you're buying ETF and index funds. So if they rebound, they go back up. Your advantage, your key is that you are not panicking because of the cycles that are happening. It always happens that when more sellers are there, more sellers are coming in, markets drop, markets go down. So with that knowledge, you know that if we are at the lower cusp, we are at the lower portion, we're already down more than 20%. So if you go much lower, your upside gets bigger, but at the same time, if you go much lower, if you are a long-term investor, later on, it will correct and it will continue to reverse itself to get it up. Tip number 5, go for dividends. Dividends are amazing because it gives you predictability of earnings, meaning when the market is not so good, those who win will have dividends. Those who have passive income, those who have passive cash flow brought about by dividends, you have a specific amount that will come to you on a regular basis. Now, here's another trick there. There's a thing that they call dividend yield ratio. It's the dividends divided by the stock price. So what does that mean? If the stock price is lower, the dividend yield will be higher. So a lot of the stocks right now are lower. Since a lot of the stocks are lower as well, it gives you the ability to get a higher dividend yield for 2018. So you are positioning right now, since the market is low, some of those stocks that have attractive dividends will position you to get a higher yield later, especially now. Inflation is higher. As inflation is higher, you need to beat a certain percentage for you to have a better yield on your money, for you to have a better yield on your investment. So why am I saying this? Invest in companies that have higher dividend yields and look for the ones that are.
Once again, we shall be dimming the cabin lights. Reading lights are found on your service panel. Thank you.
Later on. So there. So that's it. I'm headed back home. We're about to dim the lights because we're about to land. I couldn't sleep, so I'm just taking this time to just share random thoughts on the market. I'm just doing this also to share what I feel is something that can help you, and I really hope that videos like this create content, bring value, and at the end of the day, make you a better trader and investor. Why? Because I really want to see more and more of you do well. I really want to see more and more of you win. But that as you win, as you do well, and as you trade with confidence, and as you make more money, people will actually believe that it can be done, that you can earn, that you can win, that you can make your money work hard for you. And that's how you win in the stock market. That's how you win when everyone else are scared. That you can be an inspiration to a lot of people. That as you become an inspiration to a lot of people, people will say that it can be done. And that as people can say it can be done, we make this country, we make our economy even bigger, better, and we make everyone move from consuming to invest as well. So I hope this helps you. This is Marvin Gerbo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all next time. So why do you like going in chips with me?
Because it's fun.
Talaga? So what did you learn in this Cebu seminar or simple trip, what did you do? You didn't do anything.
I showed around the yellow city.
Okay, tapos?
It's pretty big for the yellow city.
Oh, and that was extended already, so...
Yeah, and the love said that.
Because?
I'm in love with their bed.
Talaga? How in love? How in love?
Super soft.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Thank you. Salam, thank you. Hold their plane.
Huh?
Hold their plane. Other.
Thank you.
Favor. What should you do when the plane's about to land but you still can't sleep?
Try to sleep.